Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Verma and I am the project leader of group number P30. Today I'm going to present you with our project Ape-Hand, the gesture recognition and control system. So before moving forwards, I will give you the premises of our project, what it is, how does it work, and give you the additional information of everything which is required for it. Also, I will present you the scope of our project. So, starting from the introduction, what is hand gesture recognition? Hand detection is an artificial intelligence based computer technology used to find and identify hand gestures in digital images. What are the uses of hand gesture? Well, hand gestures can be used to operate machines. For example, displaying specific advertisement when a particular gesture is recognized or controlling mobile screens as well as televisions. Now, talking about the requirements of this project. For the hardware part, we require an Arduino Uno, a few jumper wires, and two ultrasonic HCSR04 sensors. Talking about the software, we require Python 3 plus, Arduino IDE, and any Python developing software to execute the code. Our project is divided into three modules. The first module is moving the cursor of the mouse. The second module is performing basic mouse functions. And our third module is the depth features, which are accomplished with the help of Arduino and the ultrasonic sensors. Talking about the working of hand gesture recognition. The system distinguishes a hand from the background using color and depth data. The hand sample is further divided into the arm, wrist, palm, and fingers. The system obtains information about the distance from the fingertips to the center of the palm, the elevation of the fingertips, and so on. The system collects all extracted features into a feature vector that represents a gesture. A hand gesture recognition solution matches the feature vector with various gestures in the database and recognizes the user's gesture. Our project works on the same principle, using algorithms and performing the same gesture recognition it uses in normal programs. So without any further delay, let's move on towards the demo session of our project.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Zaidullah Khan and let us get started with the demo of our mouse functions. Firstly, we will run the code. As you can see, a window opens with the camera which detects the hands and creates hand geometry points for it. So as you can see, when I show my two fingers, it detects as a mouse pointer, and the mouse pointer works in conjunction with the movement of my hands with two fingers. So when I close my first left finger, the index fingers, it performs the function of mouse left click and a window minimizes. So as you see, when I close my right finger, it performs the mouse right click. So when for double clicking, we will join our both index and middle fingers. By making the fist, whether we are in a PDF or a web browsing page, the movement of fist up and down makes the page scrolled upwards and downwards respectively. For drag and drop, we also use the fist gesture. As you can see, firstly left clicking the folder by closing the index finger and then making fist to drag the folder and open the fist to drop it. So now let us get started with the system volume up and down feature. In this feature, we'll make a gesture that is a pinch gesture by meeting our finger and the thumb. So in this, we have to move our pinch hand gesture vertically upwards and downwards in order to increase the volume and decrease the volume respectively.
Coming to the rewind and forward function of our project. So for rewind and the forward function, we will keep our right hand lock and we will do all the operations by left hand. So for rewind, we will keep our hand closer to the sensor, and for the forward function we will maintain a distance from the sensor. That means for rewind we will bring our hand closer to the sensor, and for forward we will keep our hand away from the sensor, but in both the cases we will keep our right hand locked.
शेयर बंद कर
Coming to the functions of volume up and volume down, we have to keep our left hand locked. That means we only perform the operations by our right hand. For the volume up function, we will bring our hand closer to the sensor, and for the volume down function, we will maintain a distance from the sensors. That means for volume up, we will get close to the sensor, and for the volume down, we will go away from the sensors. here we will talk about the zoom in and zoom out function of our project. So as we can see that here we are performing the zoom out function. For zoom out, we have to move our hands away from the sensor. That means we have to create a distance between the sensor and our hands. And for the zoom in function, we have to bring our hands closer to the sensor so that the screen can zoom in the best.